Come along with me to meet the king, Richard Petty.
I have to show you this before we start the interview. My dad is your doppelganger.
I mean, it's hard to tell which one is which, right?
Yeah, and people at car shows come up to him and they think it's you.
Just give that to him so they can sign.
Tell me a little bit about what it means to have a car show in Charlotte that really promotes motorsports.
Well, it's really great. Charlotte is so much racing anyway. I think everybody knows that a car city, having a convention deal like this, showing all the different things that cars can do and maintenance on them and all this stuff. We're here for drink giveaway. We're giving away a car over the year, and all the money goes to charity. So we're big on that. And we built this car in Level Cross, North Carolina, Petty's garage. So it's probably the last car we have coming out of there right now. We're excited about being in, especially, people that enter the thing, and then all the money that's made up goes to charity, and a bunch of us going to Victory Junction, which we're very involved in that with the kids, chronically and seriously ill. They can't go to a regular camp, so you've got to have money to pay their way in and out. So this is a big fundraiser for us.
For those of you who get concerned about the demise of the American hero, we want you to know he's alive and well. Richard Petty.
Yeah, I just want everybody to look at what we're doing here, get involved, and, from that standpoint, it's all charity deal. So, I sort of hold up my hand and say, hey, guys, will y'all help us with this project? So then the people get involved. Comes back a little bit on me, but the main deal is getting the more people will get involved in charity, the better it is for everybody.
You inspire so many people in this industry. Who inspires you now?
I think everybody behind me really inspires me to go and do what I do. You got a big family, not just in Level Cross, but we got people all over the country, 10 people. And then all the fans and stuff that's been behind me all these years. Most of them are still right there with us.
It's good to be the king. It's good to be the king.
Even though we're not that involved in racing as we used to be. But we get people coming from all over the world just to come through the museum and see where it started. The Petty family has been racing since 1949, 76 years. And we're still here digging, going around the circle.
What do you think it is, sir, that people cotton to about Richard Petty?
Well, he's a good man.
Everybody likes him because he's a winner, because he's sincere, because he's honest, because he lives what he believes.
You give back so much. You've got the motorcycle ride, you Victory Junction. Just tell me, why is giving back to our community so important?
Well, you got to look at, here's a boy from Level Cross, North Carolina, born 87 years ago, and out in the country, my dad started racing and stuff. So racing has given us a chance to go out and do things. But the good Lord's been good to us because racing's been pretty successful for us.
Richard Petty has won his 6th Daytona 500, and the crowd here are going absolutely mad.
So I think this is, in my way of thinking, the family way of thinking, that the good Lord give us all this stuff, can we do and help other people? So I guess basically that's what we're doing, trying to give back to the community that helped us get where we at.
Yes, and a little bit of moonshine, right?
Oh yeah, they still have that, and we do most of it now in Tennessee, so that's where a bunch of the liquor and stuff comes out of. So we work with those boards pretty much.
And you have built such an empire. You've got the museum, you've got Petty's Garage, you've been in movies. I saw you in Cars recently.
Hey, buddy, you're one gutsy racer. Oh, hey, Mr. the King.
What would you tell to somebody who wants to go into racing?
Well, really, it's according to what part they want to get in. There's so much engineering and stuff, so there's so many different ways to get in racing that. You can be a driver, you can be a mechanic, you can work on the cars, you can do the engineering. You've got truck drivers. There's so many different aspects of race. If you want to be a driver, that's tough. Okay, being able to break into the Cup Series, because it takes a lot of years, a lot of experience, a lot of money to make that work. So dedication, no matter who does what and what form of job they want, they got to be dedicated to that job. And if they're dedicated to that job, then they'll do a good job.